and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're in South Shore, just near the big one, the Blackpool Pleasure Beach Resort. So we're going to have a bit of a walk around and just see what is going on this miserable day. So it looks like this hotel is, well, I'm not too sure if it's like having work done to it or if it's just like sort of completely derelict now. So they've got a skip thing, see all those little carpets and underlay things being ripped out, and just go a little bit further. And it looks like they've got all the fire doors. I mean, they're expensive fire doors to buy. All the fire doors there, selection of bricks, all sorts. Fridge freezers, it's all going on this one. So I mean, it looks like a fabulous hotel in its time, and it looks like it looks like they started work and sort of abandoned it a bit. But I'll have a quick scout round the back as well with this one. So this is just the sort of the alley which leads to the back. So I'm gonna have a quick look around in a minute and just see what the back of the hotel is like. If you can see anything a bit, see if anything's going on with the back. So in fact, look at that. So there's one, just zoom in there, you can see like the window is completely gone. But it looks like they're actually having new windows. So it's a bit of a strange one, really. It looks like it's been having work done to it, but sort of abandoned the projects. Whether they're coming to financial hardship and they're just putting it on hold or something, I'm not too sure. But that's the first thing we noticed. As you see, the Blackpool Pleasure Beach Resort, I'll zoom in again for you. You can see there, straight ahead, that's not running today. But yeah, so we're going to have a bit of a walk on the front and just see what is going on this sort of miserable wet day. Oh, look at that one. Looks a bit sort of rusty, wouldn't it? I wouldn't nice to be above there if it's going to completely go down. Yeah, looks like they could do a bit of TLC with that one. So this is the famous water park in Blackpool, and it's right opposite more or less the Blackpool Pleasure Beach Resort, and this gets absolutely heaving. So there's lots of comments, people say when's it open, things like that. So I'll put the link in the description if you are thinking about visiting, but it is a great attraction. So we'll have a little bit a walk a little bit more closer for you. So we're just a little bit closer now to the water park. And you can see the water is coming down. So yeah, it's a bit of a little feature, that one. Look at that. It's actually amazing outside. They've got all sorts of little features and things. Look at this one there. The inscriptions on the wall. It's actually quite a nice little place. It's so inviting as well. So it is actually open. Look at that one. Look, with the fluorescent lights, things. And as you can see, it is open. I wonder if you can have a quick sneak peek in. There you go, quick sneak peek in, and as you can see, so we won't go inside. Have a quick look around the other side as well. So there we go. So we're going a little bit further, but I just thought I'd show you the water park if you are thinking about visiting or travelling. That's the water park opposite Blackpool Pleasure Beach Resort. And in the distance, for the parents, if you are dropping the kids off or whatever, pop into the Velvet Coaster. That's another fantastic place. I think refillable coffees £1.29. So there we go. So yeah, we'll just head on a little bit further into town, do a few back streets and see what's going on. Just having a bit of a walk down a few back streets now, adjacent to the promenade. So there's not really much happening, to be honest. But you never know. That's the thing with these videos. You never know what you're going to find and what you're going to come across. Bit of an alley down. That's a long alley, that one. Look how far that one stretches. Look at that. It's got to be a good half a mile down that way. You got the old Lucky Star there. That's a little family amusements. It's a bit off the beaten track, that one. And just listen to the rain. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really getting up now. Someone didn't want their ice cream. Look at that. I know there's a saying, waste not, want not, but no, I think I'll give that one a miss. So I'll just show you down that side of the street. There we go. You see it goes right the way down, and I'll show you right around the camera, don't get dizzy, to the South Pier. So in fact we'll hop back onto the promenade and just see how busy it is on the south side of Blackpool. You got Pablo's, Greasy Joe's Burger Bar. There you go. You got one there, and I'll just show you around. Look at that. The tram line looks a bit full. They're all heading back to the town and Fleetwood things. So as you can see, it's a bit of a miserable day today. A bit depressing, really. I think we drew a nice little spell of sunshine, to be honest. But nevertheless, we'll keep going onwards and upwards. So just heading on a little bit further, and we've got the Dutton's Arms, or the Dutton Arms, shall I say. There you go, the little fish and chip place just opposite. So you've got all the little goodies and everything up here. So it's sort of geared up for tourism and just chilling out, to be honest. You have to work, if you are local, pop down, grab a drink and a bite to eat, taking the sun, well, taking the rain at the moment, but yeah. So we'll keep heading a little bit further and just see what is going on. And what is this place? So I'm just about to cut it and have a walk it down a little bit further on, but there's this place and that's completely gone. So what was here before? Look at that. So is that building, looks like it's been this science school is obviously secured apparently, so possibly a fire. It looks like fire damage, so I wonder what's going to be taking this place. Oh, there we go. So we're planning for 103 optimised bedrooms plus freehold locales. Oh, so looks like that is possibly going to be built there. So I just have a bit of a walk up the bit of a side street. I'm trying to juggle the brolly as well, so the camera don't get wet. So we won't even go onto the camera in the last video. It was, yeah, good job for Daily Vlog Adventures, kindly donating half the camera, the handle, to me. So this is the back of the Yates. Oh, look at this. Look at the wiring, it's like all exposed, and you see it's boarded up, all sorts. So look at that one. And this is not a pleasant area down here. This is a Britannia Place, and yeah, it's not a desirable area, to be honest. So we'll just have a quick look up this street, and then we'll I think we'll head back to the car and have a look in at the north side of Blackpool. But yeah, it's not a desirable area, put it that way. So you're not missing too much, as you can see. Yeah, I must be walking down here at night. You see the guys in the distance. It's like they're transporting those little mini elephants, so whether they're moving them along or delivering them. So I apologise if I do get the brolly in. Oh, there we go, I really got it in there. I do apologise. Yeah, so looks like sort of transporting those little mini elephants. There you go. You can see them all lined up there, and you can see the South Pier straight ahead. So I just spoke to a lady, an organiser. She said it's Elmer Blackpool. So it looks like there's an event going on for 8 weeks. So if you're thinking about an activity for the family or things like that, I'll pop the link in the description. So I'm not too sure the prices or the dates exactly, but she said it's going on for 8 weeks. So I'll pop all that in the, excuse the umbrella again, I'll pop all that in the description. So it might be of interest for you. There we go. That looks tempting, doesn't it? That Kelly's hot food. Look at that. So that's pretty much the end of the video today. Like I said, it's a bit of a walk around South Shore. We're just going to end up on Central Pier. I'll just flick the camera around so you can have a quick look. As you can see, you got the tower in the distance, Funland Sea Life, all the great attractions, and looks like they're having some. It's like they're developing, or not developing, what am I on about? They're delivering all these little mini elephants, as you can see. So there's a truckload of them there. Look at that. So that's rammed, absolutely packed jam with elephants for this event. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a bit of a walk around, something a little bit different area. You see the big one, the big wheel in the background there. So yeah, we'll end it here because like I said, it's miserable, bit of a miserable day. But you can see from I'll just show you very quickly the beach, and what a difference. I'm literally 10 feet away from the sand, and what a distance from yesterday. Look at that. Look how obviously the tide's out, but you can see what a difference from the storm video we did literally the day before yesterday. It was amazing that. So if you haven't seen that one, go and have a watch of that. It was unbelievable. So yeah, until next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. And look at this one. So it looks like they're popping these elephants all over the promenade. Look at that. So you can see they're transporting them. So I'll just sort of stay for a couple of seconds. So it looks like they're blocked the road off temporary as well. So yeah, there we go, a bit of an interesting one. So this is all to do that event. So like I said, I will pop it in the description as well. But yeah, very interesting.